Lego Friends Puppy Parade set, and it comes with 145 pieces and a mini doll Andrea. It also comes with this little cute little pet. I don't know what this pet's name is, but I think its name is Apollo. It's Apollo's its name, and we're gonna get
pronounced Apollo.
Apollo, yeah, it's Apollo, but it has like a limo and a vehicle and a prize like stamps like for 1, 2, and 3, and so it's like a parade. Yeah. There's a picture of what is it?
Apollo.
Apollo, yeah. Apollo is really cute. I got this for Valentine's Day this year.
All right.
Done with the set. Here's a little camera. I don't know why. Some dog food, like a stand with a trophy, Andrea, Apollo, and the vehicle that comes with it. That actually looks like a dog. It's really realistic, isn't it? Well, bye for now.